Okay, hello everybody. I hope people can hear me okay. And hello folks, and thank you very much for joining me. So this is it. I have got to confess I have been pacing up and down all morning. Pretty much just waiting for this to start. So I am about to participate in the Brave Birds International Theme Deck Tournament. Due to start at 1 o'clock. I'm all registered up and checked in. So it is a theme deck tournament. So I've played a lot of theme decks. I'm feeling moderately comfortable. um, so yeah, theme deck tournament. 2 pods today. The first one is between 1 p.m. to 6 p.m. So I will be with you hopefully for about the next 5 hours. For those of you who are kind enough to slog it out watching the games, I think that's 6 games I've got in that period. Kind of just waiting for pairings and things to come up at the moment, but I just want to get the stream up and running before everything started. So I am playing the Relentless Flame theme deck, which is a deck that I know pretty well. Let's have a look. Yeah, so it's a deck that I know pretty well. One of the stronger decks, I think, in the format. I think I've had a little look. There's about, I think there's 90 people in my pod. 11 of those are playing Relentless Flame. Stormcall is a really popular one. I think there's about 19 people playing that one, but that's the Dragonite deck. So I've played against, I've played against that one in the past. It's definitely a tough, a difficult matchup, but is hopefully is one that is winnable. Please say hi in the chat and everything. If you're watching, that's really appreciated. And if you are new to the channel, please, I really would really appreciate the follows, as I'm trying to push to get affiliate status. So I need 50 followers. I think I'm currently on 18, so I think first milestone is probably get to the 25. Right, we're getting very close. Now, I will say, normally I'll try and do like a good commentary as I'm playing. If I don't commentate, if I don't commentate, it is because I am competing and concentrating. So if I do drop off talking while I'm playing, I would apologise for that. But so with a little bit of luck today, I have a chance of getting into. I think it's the top 8. So the top 8 in the pod out of 90 players will qualify for the tournament tomorrow. So we are just waiting really for the pairings. And I've got to settle the nerves. Just checking it on the Discord. Looks like a good competition. So while we are waiting, I do want to give a few shout outs to various streamers. First one, I'd like to give a really big shout out to Fire and Dice Games. That's my local game shop, so please support your local game shop. If you actually go down, you'll actually see that Fire and Dice Games are one of my recommended stream, and they do some fantastic stuff. A really nice community there, lovely people that run the shop. So if you are thinking of playing, you want to get any cards or anything like that, please do go see them. They've been supporting me an awful lot since I've started playing, not just in Pokemon but in other games as well and things like that. So do check out, please, Fire and Dice Games. I'd also love to give a shout out to Dad, who is another one of my recommended followers. I play tournaments sort of with and against Dad, although he's not taking part in this one, but he's got a really good Twitch channel which he streams on, sort of casual games. Lovely man. And finally, definitely a big shout out to Twalapia, who has recently started playing Pokemon online. Took part in, I think, found Fire and Dice Games when they had their second birthday celebrations and did a 72-hour marathon. And Twilight Peer, I think, won some prizes off of that, which has actually helped her to set up playing Pokemon. And he's kind of like streaming her beginning journey to play Pokemon. So please do go check her out. I played some casual games against her a couple of days ago, and videos are up on that. And speaking of videos, if you are interested in playing, you can just check my video links. I've got I did a stream Thursday just gone on a sort of beginner's guide to Pokemon, so please do check that out. So yeah, please, by all means. Oh, there's Twilight now. Fantastic. You are listening to Twilight. Absolutely. No, best of luck, Twilight. And I know I'm really interested in watching your journey on starting on Pokemon. And bless you, because I'm guessing it's very late for you, actually. Either very late or very early. I'm not sure which. To be watching me on this one. So yeah, got to settle the nerves. Looking for very late at night. Oh, bless you, Twilight, for coming along. So yeah, I'm just waiting for the pairings now for the competition to come up. So yeah, I will. I'm going to apologise if my sort of running commentary and conversation whilst playing is not as frequent or casual or informative as I would prefer, because obviously I kind of I'd like to do the best I possibly can on this and just see where I end up. With a little bit of luck, maybe I can make it into the top 8 and qualify for the finals tomorrow, the top 16 from the 2 pods will be competing tomorrow. Yeah, I did some practice games earlier, and I'm really, I don't know, it just didn't go well. So I'm just hoping that all my bad luck got out of my system earlier on. I was hopefully a little bit of luck. I feel like this deck is strong. I know the deck inside out. I know it very well. I've played with it an awful lot. And again, if you look at my beginning stream stuff, sorry, beginner's guide, I sort of just do demonstrate this deck. It's one I recommend for beginners. As I say, I've checked the deck lists, and I think it's Stormcall. What's it called? Soaring Storm. Sorry, no Storm. No, start again. There's 2 that are very similar. It's Soaring Storm deck that about 19, I think, out of the 90 people in my pod are playing. But I have played against that. I can beat it. Obviously, I don't know what the quality of player that is. The quality of player I'm playing against, I'm guessing very high standard. And I think this is the first time. Oh no, second time. I think it's only the second time I've played. I suppose internationally. I believe this is actually kind of like a predominantly Mexican tournament, but they're doing it online. So yeah, I'm going to have a little bit of luck with various not dice rolls, coin flips. Oh wow, 5 followers. So yeah, 5 people watching. So thank you very much. Please say hello in the chat and stuff, and I will give people shout outs. As I say, just waiting now. Let's have a look. Okay. Alright, no pairings. Okay, pairings are up. I've got to try and find myself now. Okay, I'm playing Zacian Picker, so I've got to try and face off against Zacian Picker. So here we go, we are going to be off. I need to add them as a friend. Okay. think I can actually share the pairings at the moment, so I've got to send that friend request. Hopefully they will respond. Apparently they've got 5 minutes to respond in, otherwise I think I get a default victory. They should have checked in. Just send that again because they've not responded yet. Okay, here we go. They are online and we are off. Right, here we go. Game 1. Round 1, game 1. Here we go. Okay, Relentless Flame against Relentless Flame. This could go down to coin flips, so let's see how we do. I have covered my hand, obviously, because I am streaming. We're off. Yeah, we are going to go first. Ooh, it's not a good start. It's not a good start. No. Okay. Not a great start, but not awful. It is a best of one format as well, so there's one game to win. Okay, let's get in there, a bit of burn damage. Can I get 2 turns worth of burn damage? No, that's a shame. That's a shame. Would have preferred that just to have triggered on the next one, so that I wouldn't have had to attack into it to get the knockout. Okay, they're sacrificing that one. Okay, we're okay. We're going to go... Check what we've got in here. Got the full evolution on there, full evolution on... No, not quite the full evolution on there. One Rapidash. Yep, that's what we're doing. Okay, we're going for that. Okay, early knockout, that's a good start. We're not in a bad position. Not in a bad position. If they bring in the Charmeleon, okay, they're going for that one there. Okay, they're going for the 30, that's fine. Come on, timeable. Yes, got hit 1. Okay, hitting 1 is the important bit. So we're going to bring in Charizard and guarantee the knockout on this turn. Excellent. Okay, good start, good start. Nestball to go get another one of those. And then we'll Cynthia for 6. Refresh the hand. Put energy there. Ugh. Okay, double whiffed on that. Never mind, I'll take the Nerva knockout. Depends on that Charmander there. But we got a good early start. Okay, I think I know what I'm going to do next. Okay, they're going call for family. Excellent. Okay, I know my next move. Oh, and that's even better. Oh, that's beautiful. Okay, so then we are going to switch, because we will get knockout here and we will protect that, and we will get some extra cards. Come on. Okay, nothing that I can... we're going to charge this up, and that gets the energy out of the deck so that I'm more likely to draw into the evolutions that I want. But it's a strong start, it's a strong start. Okay. Yeah. Would have preferred the heads, but it's not crucial, because even the best he can put down is the Charizard or the Ember, which will be 50 damage, so I will survive it. I've got the Professor's Kai. If he doesn't evolve that up, I can knock it out this turn. Hasn't knocked it out. Excellent. Okay, and I've got the Kai for the extra 20 damage for knockout. Whew, this is going well. Famous last words. We'll attach energy there. Kai for the extra damage for 20. That will give us knockout. And agility. And we've got protection. Wow, this is going well. This is going well. This is very much what wasn't happening to me this morning, in all honesty. I would prefer to get some of these evolutions running, though. Okay, that's their Rapidash. But I will get a hit to hit into... Oh, they haven't got any energy. No energy on the Rapidash. It is very tempting to Cynthia, because I haven't really got anything here that's going to draw. Hello, Dan112. Here we see both possibilities with this deck. Yeah, it's, you know, sometimes it can work for you, sometimes it can work against. I'm very tempted to Cynthia to try and get some of the evolutions out, just because I don't really have anything else. Oh, you can't see what I'm got, can you? Zardboy, no, not everyone is playing this deck. I think there's about 11 out of the 90 in my pod playing this deck. So it's not the most played deck in this game, in this tournament. It's the Storm... I always get it wrong. There's two. There's Stormcaller and there's Soaring Storm. That's it. Soaring Storm. About 19 people playing Soaring Storm deck. But we've got them on the run here. This is looking good. This is the first game. I'm going to be really pleased if I get a first game win. Didn't get anything off of that draw, though. But we're going to get a knockout again here. I think I've possibly got this one. It's looking good. It's looking good. We take the prize. we've gone through them really quickly. Worst case scenario is I bring up the Charizard for a knockout. I will give them a well played. I will send them some love. I had some luck. I had luck on that one. I'm not going to deny. I will just re-energize that up. Oh, get in there. First round win. Whew. Whew. Victory. Right, I've got to make sure I take a screenshot. 8-minute game time. Whew. Okay, I'm really pleased. That's one win under the belt. One win under the belt. Really happy with that. Not going to deny. Always fear as you go into tournament, you're just going to get steamrolled. So even if I lose the next 5, at least I've kind of gone, well, I won one. And now I've got to put my results in. Whew! Okay. Mirror match. A win with a mirror match. I should probably edit that with a match number on. Actually, hold on. Which means I'm playing somebody who got a bye in the last round. So is it straight knockout then? Okay, yeah. So this is knockout. Okay, so I wasn't fully aware of that. I thought it was going to be like a round robin. It's not. It's knockout. So I've got to get to the last. Okay, it's a bit hard. Yeah. Okay. So I've got 1, 2, 3. It's knockout. 1, 2, 3. So I've won one round. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Okay, it's been enough. Brilliant. Okay. Whew. Okay, just excuse me, just while I just nerves of getting the first game gone, but that went really well. Yeah, I've submitted the screenshot, got the thing. So well played, my opponent there. I feel a bit sorry for Station Picker there because I just had a really fast start and was able to take advantage. So it did turn out to be a very fast game. So my next game is against somebody who has a bye. So yeah, that is done. I think I might just try and keep a record myself of. Oh, excuse me. It's appeared on there. I didn't want it to. Excuse me. Just bear with me. I was not quite expecting to win the first one so quickly. Is the honest answer. I think there is prize money. I think there's something like $2,000 worth of prize money in total. I have never won physical prize money in a tournament before. In fact, actually, only recently was the only time that I've. Oh no, I suppose that's a lie. Actually, in fairness, no, sorry. Fire and Dice Games, when they do their Sunday tournaments, you can win booster packs or have one of those and won booster packs from them. But the biggest prize I've received, I think, so far was winning one of their qualifiers for the team challenge, which I'm really looking forward to taking part in. And I think you get a nice play mat for those. So I'm looking forward to getting my hands on that. So yeah, sorry for now. I would say I'm sorry that there's going to be a bit of dead time. just as I wait for the other games to finish. But that would be a lie. I'm quite happy. That means I've won the first game quite quickly. So I'm sure you'll all must show me your collection one time soon. Twilight Peer, is that my physical collection or my online collection? Um, Physical and playmat. When I get hold of the playmat, yeah, I will do it. I'm really looking forward to getting that. When I get my hands on it, I will pass that on to you. Yeah, I will do that. Thank you very much, everybody, for who is watching so far. Please do chat away in the stream chat. Hello, Neo Night Wolf. Thank you very much. Good game. Thank you very much. Appreciate it. Sorry that I missed a couple of people, and Trickster there. Thank you for the support there. Please, if you haven't followed the channel, please do so. Trying to build the channel up. Trying to aim towards my affiliate for the channel. I need 50 followers for that. I'd be very grateful, and I will be trying to do some stuff soon to give the lovely people, I bet she's listening and watching at the moment. I know from Five and Dice Games, I'm going to get some nice prizes that I can give out, and I would like to be handing those out to people who do follow me. So if you could just hit the follow button, I would really appreciate that, and that just helps me get up to building this channel up to affiliate status. And I'm going to sort some prizes out. So thank you for that. And yeah, we're just waiting now. I'm just going to check the various results are coming in. It's quite funny. I've got like a dual monitor set up to help me do all of this, and I haven't quite got it when I'm sending the screenshot. I'm just sending the one screen, so they're kind of getting everything, whereas everyone else is getting the one. But it's looking like, yeah, it's looking like those Soaring Storm decks are doing well so far, and the Relentless Flame decks. Yeah, a Laser Focus did beat one. Just trying to see. And of course, anything that is... Oh, Charizard, ain't you? Okay, that's interesting. A Charizard deck did beat the Relentless Flame one. But yeah, okay, so it's looking like it is knockout format. I'm quite confused because I thought it was like 6. Whew. Okay, so yeah, just forgive me as I just kind of concentrate and look to see what's happening with the various... I think I know who my next opponent is, actually, because they got a bye in the last round. A bye Twalipir is if so a bye works if there's not enough, if there's sort of like too many players, or the numbers don't do like a matching for one-on-one sort of like knockout, then somebody can get a bye, which means that they somebody gets lucky basically and gets an automatically put into the next round just to make the numbers sort of match up, because obviously you'd go like 2 in a final, then down to 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128. Wow, I could do maths on a Saturday. So obviously sometimes in a tournament you have to give players buys and stuff like that to make the numbers work. So my opponent has got a buy into the next round. I'll have to check the pairings and keep my eye on that because I don't want to miss my. You get a 5-minute window for me to contact. Yeah, kind of like the last 5 in Dice Qualifier. Yeah, I think there was a buy in that one, wasn't there? Yeah. Slightly different format for that one because it was what's called a round robin. No, it's not a round robin. I'm lying. It was Swiss League. Effectively, it was a round robin because of the number of players. But yeah, can work for you and can work against you, in all honesty. I'm just checking various things. It's a bit. Yeah, sorry, I'm just checking some stuff that. Obviously, I don't get the friend request and stuff like that, so I will actually just remove that last player from my friends list. Yeah, just because I don't want to fill up my friends list. Try and keep it with people that I actually know. Okay, I'm just going to ask a question. Okay, yeah, sorry folks, I know it's not terribly exciting at the moment. I am just checking stuff. There's a couple of things that I need to check. It's a bit strange because obviously I know who I'm playing in the second round, and it's kind of saying you can play the second round people if you want, but then there's also 5 minutes for the people to respond. So I'm kind of like thinking, well, if my opponent isn't expecting to play the second round until like 2 o'clock or something, it's a bit unfair if they then get disqualified because they haven't responded. So I'm just trying to check. I need to just find out about that. So please bear with me. Okay. Is there a maximum of friends you can have? Not that I'm aware of. Sorry, I was a bit late in answering you there. Not that I'm aware of. Not that I know of. So yeah, my apologies, everybody. That obviously, from a personal point of view, great that my first round match went so quickly and I managed to pick up the win. Bad news is it means a little bit of waiting around. So my apologies to everybody who is just sat and waiting for me to play the next game. I can only go as fast as the organisers, and obviously I'm sure you can understand that I think there's a 30-minute timer on the games. So obviously it won't be until, you can't expect them to finish until 1:30. So we're just about hitting that mark now. So, but yeah, really pleased to get that early win. I can start. Okay. Okay, so apparently I can go on to my round two. So I will try and invite my round two person. I will just check something. I will just double check that because I don't want to catch anyone out on a kind of a technicality. Just checking with judges that so the judges are saying that I can go on to round two, but then I kind of think, well, if the other person doesn't know that I've won the first round, how do they know to kind of accept the thing? So I'm just kind of checking that because I don't want to. Oh, okay. Okay, yeah, it has. That's fine. Okay, then that's. Okay, I'm just going to try it. Right, so I can play my next round now, so. Oh. Let's just try bringing that up again. Okay, we're up for second round. Oh. I'm just going to take a print screen of that. Okay, and they are online, so we are good to go then for the second round. Here we go. Here we go, time match. I kind of want to see, now I can do this actually. Playing a Soaring Storm deck, so this will be... Okay, so it's Storming Storm decks, the most popular in the thing at the moment, so this will undoubtedly be a tough one. Here we go. Round 2. Let's see how we go. Yeah, I will go first, please. Let's see if I can just... Yeah, Storming... Yeah, it's a good theme deck. 12 here. Can't attack, yeah, so we're done. Okay. Yeah, it's got the Dragonite. It's definitely a good card in it. Here we go. Tornadoes and Thunderous. Yep, these are the cards that they want to get out early on for their early game. Okay, one hit with the Timer Ball, but we're going to go... Oh, no! Oh, man, that hurts. First time I can look off and both my Rapidashes are prized. Oh, no. Okay, that's a real problem. That's a real problem. Disastrous. I mean, we do get the knockout, but they are going to knock me out next turn. 50, 60, 70, it's knockout. My early play is just... I did say that this format would be down to luck, and I think this is going to be me out because I'm going to be up against it now. Yeah, that goes out for the knockout. No energy on the bench. First time I could look in. And this is going to get knocked out now. It's just going to keep doing 50, 60, 70, and I'm weak, so yeah, it's knockout. I can only hope that I can draw into something. Wow. Oh, that one hurts. First time to look in my deck, and the Rapidash wasn't there. I think this is me going to be knocking out. I can't get the Charizard out. I haven't got anything to draw it from. I don't have any draw to get the Charizard. I'm not going to get evolved up fast enough. I'm going out in the second round. I've got to throw stuff under the bus and I hope we're trying to draw my way out of it. Oh man. Oh. And I still don't get what I needed. It's over. Tournament's over. I haven't got the Nidoqueen. I haven't got anything to draw it from. Toilet. Trust me, if I could draw the stuff, I would. It's not enough. I don't have anything to draw it from. I can't get those cards. Man, that Rapidash has just killed me. And now they've got a significant advantage. I cannot compete with this. Nothing I can do. Draw cards. Hope I get something. It's too little too late. Man, that stunk. Oh, it was just the prizing the 2 Rapidashes on the first turn, but I was then searching for them. Obviously, I had no way of knowing that they'd both been prized. Probability says that it probably wouldn't be, but, you know. But yeah, they only need 2 prize cards after this. It's not happening. It's not happening. Oh, what a way to go out. What a way to go out. Yeah, Dragonite, that's it. They're completely in control of this game now. Going to be 5-2 up, in control. I will send them the love, though. Wow. Ah, this one hurts. I'm not going to lie, this one hurts. Yeah. I mean, the thing is now they take this out. Even if I get the Nidoqueen, they take this out with a 170 there. It's over. It's over. This game's over. As much as I had all my luck in the first one. It's over. Oh, man. Nidoqueen, I can't dig for anything because he's going to get knocked out. Because still, both my Rapidashes are in that prize. 4 prize cards, 2 Rapidashes in the deck. Oh. It's too late. Nidoqueen's not going to do anything. They've got the game. I had good luck in the first one. Like, more luck than I needed in the first game. And I'll do that and I'll get the knockout in this one. And there's just nothing I can do. I can't. I mean, it's game over because I can't. Anything I bring up, yeah, anything I bring up now is dead. For 1 prize card. I mean, just on the off chance that they can't find the energy for the Dragonite with that massive hand. But it's not happening. Oh, if I drew the Rapidash, completely different game. Completely different game to play if I got the Rapidash. If I drew the Rapidash, completely different game. Yeah, the game over. We'll do that. Alright, I'm going to just let them know and I'm going to turn. Oh, that's it. I'm out. I'm out. Both my Rapidashes are prized. I can't get over that. Can't get over that. Needed a bit of luck. And that's me out then. 4 prize cards left. Oh, man. That hurts. Not going to die. That one really hurt. Well, thank you very much, everybody, for watching. I'm sorry it ended that way. 2 very fast games. But yeah, that is me out now. So well played, though, to my contestant there. I didn't quite catch their name, was it, as well? Kamazumixi. Ah, digging for the Rapidash it wasn't there. Gee whiz. Gee whiz. Right, well, anyway, thank you very much, everybody, for watching, and thank you. And you can hear my tears happening. I hope you all enjoyed watching, but unfortunately, that is the end of this journey for me on this tournament. I really thought I might get further than I did there, in all honesty. I was really hopeful of a further tournament than that. But that just early setback there in the second game, there was just no coming back from it. Especially I committed my energy to the Ponyta, and you know, that was it. So no, thank you very much for watching. Please do follow the channel. Take care and have fun, and I will stream some further stuff in the future. So okay then, guys, I think I will be streaming. I will actually make a little change to my schedule. I'll be playing in the Fire and Dice tournament now tomorrow instead of the second day of this, so I will be streaming again probably about 1 o'clock tomorrow. So take care, guys, and all the best. Thank you very much for watching. Please do follow. Alright, take care, guys.